friends tell you? Tell me about your friends. Who is your? I know you are a very friendly person. What are your views on friendship? And talk to me about your friends.
I have a limited set of friends, to be honest. Small circle. Awan Khan, Siddesh Lad, Abhishek Nair, predominantly are from cricketing circle.
Mumbai.
And सब मुंबई की है ज़्यादातर. And then I have another set of friends with like I grew up with them.
So closer, like if you're going through something at 2 a.m. and
No one.
I know
No one.
I know you're going to say
Yeah,
that. I
no
know you're going to say no one. But you have to get advice on someone, or you just need to rant to someone. Who would you do it to?
I just have to
Rant to someone.
rant to someone. I'm not that kind of person, to be honest. I would probably watch a movie or listen to music and just forget about that thing. And right now I'm in that place in my mind where I know, or maybe like I'm not trying to sound condescending over here, but I feel that I've got answers for everything out there.
When did you mature so much?
I told you, right? I've been part of this fraternity for 10 years now. I've seen almost everything.
Yeah.
And then I developed this habit of only talking positive things to myself.
That's an amazing thing he does. And fam, you close to fam? I know you have a sister,
Very
mom, dad.
close to my family. My mom and dad, they still come and drop me at the airport. So you can imagine how close I am.
That is so cute.
Yeah.
Do you like family support, or you tell them इतना मत pressure लो, घर पे बैठो, chill करो?
Start में बोलता था because I used to be nervous, but now अभी ऐसे position में आया हूँ where they also want to come and enjoy. And it's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
You know, that's why I learned that word, talisman.
Huh. Oh, sweet. Lucky mascot.
Yeah.
Me. It is me. I need you to ingrain this in your head that I am a talisman now, starting today.
She's forcing me to do that.
This is so rude. Okay, fine. So now that we know what makes Shreyas sad and how he copes with himself, you said that you watch movies sometimes. What is your favorite genre?
Prehistoric movies, war movies.
War movies?
Yeah.
अभी क्या देख रहे हो?
अभी तो मैंने almost सब खत्म कर दिया.
Literally?
Yeah.
पूरा Hotstar, पूरा
नहीं,
Netflix,
मतलब
पूरा
war movies के जो भी categories में आते हैं movies.
Troy Show and all that type?
Yeah.
Spartans?
Favorite is Gladiator.
Obviously. Did you see the new Gladiator?
Yeah, I did see.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it's good. It's nice. Because I've seen Gladiator so many times, I can connect it to the second part as well. His son comes over and it's like...
You give me Gladiator vibes. That should be your next tattoo.
Gladiator.
Yeah, actually.
The one which I've made over here, it is related to that.
That's a very intricate and cool tattoo.
Yeah, it's immaculate, isn't it?
Vocab class. We should do
ये
a different
vocab
video.
थोड़ी है यार, immaculate तो सब लोग बोलते हैं.
डांट क्यों रहा है? अब इनका जिम क्लास है. मैं वॉक करूंगी इनके साथ because I can't gym with them. निकल गया. Didn't even say चलो साहिबा. Very rude. Very rude. Shreyas, you think this video is over? It's not.
Oh, it's not?
No, I have to work with you. Okay, we let him work out now because
Yes, please.
that's his focus.
I'm gonna
so
go in my zone.
Interval
Then I
bye-bye.
start ignoring people.
Talisman. Okay, have a good workout.
Thanks, I'll see you around.
Shreyas,
Huh?
what are you doing, Vese? What are you going to play? I'm asking you. Why
So that's why I came down, no?
When was the last time you cried?
Last time I cried was during Champions Trophy. First practice session.
Oh,
Like literally crying.
why?
Because I batted in the nets और मेरा बैटिंग अच्छा नहीं हुआ था. तो मुझे इतना गुस्सा आ रहा था अपने आप पे कि मैं रोने चालू किया. And I was also shocked कि मैं रोता नहीं हूँ ऐसा easily. So that means it shows that how much
Passion you have for
yeah.
and how well you want yourself to do.
Yeah, because England series में मेरा अच्छा performance हो गया था. So I thought कि वो same flow सब आ जाएगा. But इधर wickets अलग थे थोड़ा सा. And then to adapt, on the first day itself was kind of arduous. It was an arduous task. तो फिर जैसे कि प्रैक्टिस खत्म हो गया, मुझे थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा करना था और मिला नहीं था मुझे एक्स्ट्रा बैटिंग, तो मैं गुस्सा हो गया था एकदम, बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था मेरे को.
And your slots also very tight during these, na?
Yeah.
They hardly get time in the nets as compared to IPL where you can get much more time. Then how did you